The university is required to maintain a contingency plan outlining procedures in the event of an emergency. This plan must be reviewed annually and a copy sent to local first response agencies. Employees with response roles must be trained annually on the contingency plan procedures. In the event of a spill or release that exceeds the reportable quantity for a hazardous substance, the Illinois Emergency Management Agency and the National Response Center must be notified. A follow-up report detailing the response actions must be submitted to the Illinois EPA within 15 days of the release.
All accidents and incidents should be reported via the University of Chicago Accident and Incident Reporting Tool, known as UCARE. An accident is an unanticipated or off-normal event that results in injury, illness, environmental release or impact, or significant property damage. If an accident occurs at work, follow this procedure to ensure the appropriate groups are notified. If it is a serious injury or an emergency on campus, such as a fire or environmental release of a chemical or oil, dial 123 from a campus phone or 773-702-8181 from a non-campus phone. UCPD dispatch will not send the Chicago Fire Department or an ambulance unless it is requested. However, the Chicago Fire Department will respond if a fire alarm has been activated. Please note, if you are located in an off-campus facility such as the Gleacher Center or Ricketts Laboratory, please call 911 in the event of an emergency situation that requires an ambulance or the fire department. Then contact 773-702-8181 to inform the University of Chicago Police Department. Some emergencies, such as fatalities, injuries requiring medical attention, or an oil or chemical spill that enters a drain, require notification to various regulatory agencies within a specific window of time after an accident occurs. Therefore, it is critical to immediately notify the University of Chicago Police Department so the appropriate safety office can be paged to begin the response process. Once you have notified UCPD of the emergency, you may then proceed to enter the summary of the incident via the UCARE reporting tool. Please note, submitting a UCARE form by itself will not initiate response procedures. After you've notified the University of Chicago Police Department for an emergency situation, notify your supervisor and submit the UCARE form by going to the UCARE website. If the accident resulted in an injury, you and your supervisor will also complete HR forms detailed later in this presentation. In addition to reporting accidents, the intent of the UCARE system is to ensure incidents are also reported. An incident is a close call or near miss that has the potential to escalate to accident status. We can proactively eliminate future injuries and other preventable accidents if you report incidents that occur on campus. If you are in doubt about whether or not an incident or accident should be reported, report it using the UCARE form. The UCARE website can be found at ucare.uchicago.edu. On the UCARE website, you will find links to download the UCARE mobile application to Android or Apple iOS devices, such as smartphones and tablets. To submit a UCARE form on the website, click on the envelope icon found in the center of the page. The UCARE form is simple and self-guiding. Please provide as much information as possible. You can also attach photos or documents to the UCARE form. If medical attention is needed, then the form will have certain fields tagged as required. If the medical attention button is not selected, then you are not required to enter your name or contact information. This allows you to report unsafe conditions anonymously. If you are injured, you and your supervisor will complete the following forms provided by the Human Resources Benefits Office. The first form is the WC Form 100, Request for Evaluation and Treatment, Work-Related Illness or Injury. Please note, the WC Form 100 is only required if the employee is going to the University of Chicago Occupational Medicine Clinic, or UCOM, for a non-emergency work-related injury during normal working hours. The next form is the supervisor's first report workers' compensation claim of injury or illness form, which is filled out by the supervisor of the injured employee. The last form is the employee's statement of injury or illness workers' compensation form, which should be completed by the injured employee when able to do so. For more information regarding these forms, contact Human Resources Leave Administration. Please note, UCOM is open Monday through Friday from 7:15 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., while the Adult Emergency Department is located at the southeast corner of 57th Street and Maryland Avenue and is open 24 hours a day.